Hello friend, today I will teach you 5 most important thing of 3ds Max and also which is useful for 3D designer. So don't waste your time. Let's get started. As you can see that this is the 4 common default viewports. If you want to large it, simple click Alt W. So you can see that viewport convert into one viewport and Alt W to 4 division. But if you want to only 2 division, so what you need to do, first of all go here and simple click right click and open viewport layout tab. As you can see that one panel is open here and we have 12 different option for viewports. You can use this, you can use two portion if you want. Now I am talking about second thing. I use one rectangle box and the pivot of this object is bottom of this object and center, bottom center. So if you want this pivot center of this object, so go to here, affect pivot. So now when click here, you can move pivot according to your need, but I need center of this object, so click center to object. So now click here. As you can see that pivot of this object is center of this object. So when your pivot, sometimes your pivot is out of the center, like I will tell you one example. I made one box. When I group it, so at that time it take automatically center of this object. But you need this pivot at this point. So click here, pivot and move. So as you can see here, you cannot place this pivot at this point. So for this you need to open snapping. I will tell you how you can open snapping. So first of all, click here, angle snapping, right click and click these 2 points. I already click it, and also in vertex. So simply click S and you can move it. As you can see that you can set your pivot up as you wish, here and here. So this is the most important for your modeling. So this is the second thing. One to large this x direction. So when I click and stretch it in y x direction, so at that time y direction also stretch. So now you go to here and click this option. So what is it? When you click in x direction and stretch it, so it's only y direction stretch. But when you select y direction, so it work only in y direction. So sometimes some students press R more than 1 and 2 times, so at that time it is changed, as you can see that. So sometimes they got problems like that. So simply click here and press R to corner, so at that time it is work according to your x direction. Now fourth one, viewport shortcut. Now as you can see that it is the front, top, left. But when you work in a perspective view, and if you want for front view, so you cannot go to here and then take, because it takes some time. So when you click here, simply press F and you can in front view. But if you want back view, so you cannot simply get by pressing B, because B is bottom. So simply V and K. VK is for view and V R for right view, because R is for scale. So press V and R for right and VL for left. So this is also most important for your modeling. Now fifth one, which is snapping. So as you can see that I make two box and I want to fix this side to this side. So I can move it, but I do not get perfection. Like as you can see that I do not get 100% fix this. You can see that there is the gap between. So snapping is the most important for your modeling. Snapping is most important. So what you need to do, go angle, right click and click here and enable axis control and vertex. So click here, press S, select one corner and drag it. So you can see that we get perfection. Also this is the, so I click here and click this corner. So in the left view, you can see that both corner are joined as a one place. So it is also important for you. And also one more thing, if you want to remove this grid, so press simple G. When you press G, grid is off, and press G to grid is on. So now that is the end of this tutorial. Now this is the end of tutorial. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries related to 3ds Max, so you can message me on Instagram and Facebook. So I will give you proper solution of your problems. So thank you once again and we will meet in next tutorial. Thank you.